berapa funding. I nak repeat balik bahawa this operasi Bersepadu melibatkan beberapa jabatan, iaitu Sprm. Sprm dia melihat dari segi kemungkinan berlakunya corruption dan juga pengubahan wang haram hasil daripada pembelakan. Manakala lembaga hasil melihat dari segi tax evasions. Yang ketiga melibatkan Jabatan Hutan Sarawak. Jabatan Hutan Sarawak akan fokus dari segi kucuran balak ataupun aktiviti pembalakan haram. Dan selain itu pasukan ini juga dibantu oleh pasukan gerakan AM Polis di Malaysia. So setakat ini kami deploy lebih kurang 400 orang anggota dalam operasi yang boleh dikatakan melibatkan keseluruhan di Sarawak. Dan sehingga semalam kita telah merampas sebanyak 1,785 balak, 1,785 batang balak yang kita syaki dibalak secara tidak sah. Dan kita juga telah merampas beberapa kenderaan berat yang digunakan untuk aktiviti ini, seperti jengkau, jentolak, mesin-mesin generator. Dalam masa yang sama, Sprm dan lembaga hasil dalam negeri turut menyita akaun-akaun yang kita syaki terlibat dalam aktiviti ini. Dan sehingga semalam kita telah menyita lebih kurang dua-dua pihak ni, Sprm dan lembaga hasil telah menyita lebih kurang 591 akaun yang melibatkan nilai lebih kurang 700 juta ringgit. Okey. Dan sehingga semalam juga Sprm telah memanggil 14 individu untuk membantu siasatan kita. Dan siasatan dari segi rasuah kita masih teruskan, dan kes is ongoing. Okay, Mas.
The MACC have come to brief me on the situation, on the operation in Sarawak. We will give them, of course, the fullest cooperation. But let me say that I have also requested them to either revoke, bury, or reconsider some of these orders with regard to the freezing of bank accounts of companies and individuals. They involve thousands of workers. Some of these companies employ thousands of workers, and if their accounts are frozen, they will not be able to pay these workers. And some of these companies and individuals are only remotely associated with the alleged offences. They have agreed to reconsider, and if necessary, if it is justified, they can revoke, bury, or bury the order. I thank them for that. Because if this thing goes on and there are thousands of workers rendered unpaid, it will affect the economy, and the activities of our companies will be put on hold. This will be very bad for the local economy especially. I am grateful that they have acceded to reconsider this matter. Okay, that's my opening statement.
ada beberapa soalan hanya untuk operasi gergaji saja. Only on the ops gergaji saja.
We are in Sarawak, we are principally concerned with the illegal logging. Okay, it appears to be that the action is taken under the Money Laundering Act, the Income Tax Act, and the
Anti-Corruption Act.
and the Anti-Corruption Act, and of course the Forestry Act. Okay,
Any question?
I must say this is one of the briefest press conference ever.
Dato, how long will the investigation take to be completed?
Okay. Before I answer that question, just now I said how many accounts? I mean,
You said 591.
no, 519. Sorry, 519. Sorry. Okay. Because this case is a big scale case, so we need time to probe the case, and then we also looking accounts. So normally when involve accounts, it take time to complete, but I can make sure we will speed up the case as soon as possible, because kita tak nak dia beri kesan kepada syarikat-syarikat yang besar ni. Kalau kita take longer, macam CM kata tadi, freeze the account, dia akan beri kesan kepada not only kepada pekerja but juga kepada ekonomi yang lebih. So we try our best to complete. Normally kes-kes macam ni dalam keadaan yang biasa we take 1 or 2 months to complete. But on the issue of account yang kita freeze tadi, that one kita akan bagi special treatment, kita akan buat secepat yang mungkin untuk check, buat checking. Kalau not betul-betul dia tak involve dalam corruption or income tax, kita akan release secepat mungkin.
And they can come, these individuals and companies can come to see the local MACC office to discuss their matter.
Soalan untuk Menteri dan Dato juga.
Okay, can you put that one important? The companies and individuals affected can come and see the
Discuss this MACC.
local MACC office to discuss the matter.
Menteri and Dato want to comment, because we learned that there were some companies yang halt during this operation, ada yang sign integrity pledge, and then they dishonor their promises. So there are quarters and dispute. What is the use of this integrity pledge? So you want to comment?
Well, this integrity pledge, don't take it as the moment you make the integrity pledge, the problem is solved altogether. That is just the beginning, the first step to show that you are honest. That is only the first step. Don't expect me to to solve the problem overnight, just simply by getting integrity pledge. Therefore, the problem is solved. No. But that is the first positive step, lah. Okay. Mesti lagi kan? Nanya, mesti lagi.
Ada question?
Mesti. Nak ibu kan? Just as a parting remark, I'm asking MACC to find the real culprits and not those who are innocent. The purpose of law is not only to punish the guilty, but also to protect the innocent. Okay, cukup lah. All right. Don't write because I'm surrounded by MACC, I'm under arrest, okay?